To the nitty-gritty part, which is stain removal and lifting up these stains that could have been there for over 20 years, who knows. I've got 3 ingredients that we're going to start with, actually 4. I've got vinegar, I've got all-purpose cleaner, dish soap, and some warm water that I've mixed and shaken up in this spray bottle. We're going to spray these to treat the specific areas where there's deep stains. Spray the stained areas thoroughly and let the solution soak for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Tools you're going to need are plastic bristle cleaning brush, toothbrush, and microfiber towel. These are optional, but these are some of my favorites. This one is the Great Value brand you can get at Walmart. It's only $2.58. I swore that the one I have that I'm using in this video was actually purchased from Walmart, but it looks more like one that's on Amazon. It's a little bit more expensive, but you can get a pack of 2 of those for $7.98. Prime with free 2-day shipping. With that brush, you're going to really want to agitate the stain and agitate the fabric. And when I use the word agitate, I don't mean it in an aggressive, negative connotation. What I mean is you're wanting to lift up that stain, whatever it may be, whether it was a liquid or a powder or just dirt and dust and grime, you're going to want to lift that up. You also can use the microfiber towel to wipe away any of that dirt, grime, and then toothbrush. You can't go wrong with the toothbrush. It's great to get in little corners and crevices, especially in upholstery. There's cording, and it's always just great to have extra toothbrushes on hand for cleaning purposes. I don't use the toothbrush just for upholstery. I also brush my teeth with this exact toothbrush. It comes in handy. Just kidding. Please don't do that. Yeah, keep your toothbrushes separate, the ones you use for cleaning, but I can't say enough good things about the toothbrush. You can get a pack of 5 of these for under $5.